Are you going to place your first order on Fiverr.com? Then hold on for a moment and listen to us. We are going to tell you about a special offer on Fiverr.com. We will give you complete detail about this amazing offer, what this offer is and how you can avail this and much more. So stay tuned. What is this offer? Fiverr.com offers a special discount offer to its new buyers by giving them 20% off on placing the first order. This is completely real and practical. You can follow the link in the description to try how to avail this offer. Now, the process of getting this offer is super easy and simple. You just have to follow some steps and that's it. Number 1. Sign up to Fiverr.com. This step is important as it will lead you to the offer almost automatically. Just sign up with Facebook or Google. So, follow the link in the description to quickly sign up to Fiverr.com without wasting a moment. Number 2. Promo code. After signing up for Fiverr.com, you will receive a notification from Fiverr.com. If you are a buyer, then you will get a promo code. This promo code is essential, so do save it. Number 3. Applying promo code. To apply this promo code, first you need to place an order. For this, find a gig that best suits your needs. Customize the order and go to Summary section. In Summary section, click Enter Promo Code. Use your promo code here and click Apply. Don't forget to place the order. Do's and don'ts. Following are the do's and don'ts about this offer. Number 1. You can only get this offer as a buyer. Number 2. This offer is not valid for already placed orders. Number 3. Do read the terms and conditions about this offer. Number 4. Do keep an eye on the expiry date of the promo code. So, outsource your small task on Fiverr.com and grow your business quickly. Don't wait for tomorrow, do it now and avail this golden opportunity before it goes off. We have provided the links in the description for your convenience. Follow the links as they will drop you to Fiverr.com without any wastage of time or energy. That's the end. We will come back soon with a brand new episode of Fiverr Unclocked. Thank you so much and bye bye.